we have places to be today. So I'm actually running quite a few errands, mostly to Target, and then I want to go to Home Depot after Target. Now I have to go to 2 Targets. I did some online shopping and did store pickup at the West Hollywood location, so I'm waiting for my confirmation to come through for that. And then online I was looking at outdoor stuff like the Opal House collection for my patio space, because it is supposed to be so freaking nice. Like, it's about to feel like California summer out here, like 90s, high 80s next week, or this week, I'm sorry. So I'm excited to get my outdoor space together and kind of revamp it. I love it so much, but I feel like I could use a little some, you know? So I rearranged my furniture a little bit, and it turns out there's actually more space out there than how it was originally set up. So I have like a whole corner section that I can decorate. So anyways, I found this poof, which I've been meaning to get a poof for some time now, and the one that I really love is only at the Van Nuys location. I think they might have 1 or 2 left, and you couldn't get it online. So I'm driving up there right now to snatch that, and it's about 25 minutes away from me, and it's 9 in the morning. I'm so excited to get my outdoor space together and make it a little bit more functional. I'm not gonna say it wasn't functional how it is, but I feel like it could just use a little something.
I'm a down south with a West Coast vibe. Keep the Vans on when I slide. Still bang screw when I ride. Palm trees when I walk outside. I'm a down south with a West Coast vibe.
Y'all can't tell me anything about a jam session in the car. It hits so hard. Let me put this thing on, because don't worry, my hands are clean. I sanitize with wipes. I feel so stupid wearing this thing, mostly because I feel claustrophobic, but I feel stupid as hell if I don't wear it. Look at this. Girl. Where is this Target? 2 minutes away. 2 minutes. Oh, my song! I don't like going to places where I don't know where I am. So this was interesting, but thank God they have a parking lot. That, my friends, is a rare find. Rare find. I'm about to go snatch some cute decor. Oh my God, I literally can't breathe. Jesus, help me. Yo, my car is so loud. This plant right here, you guys. I need something like this in my apartment, because then I know I can't kill it. And I also love all of this like wicker and the pops of color. I have yet to find the, ooh, this tree, the outside section. Wait, I want a faux tree for my apartment. Wait, this is the table I put on hold at the other Target. Well, at least I can see it in person. This is what I want. Alright guys, forget about Home Depot. We're just gonna get this bad boy. Oh my God, I just had the worst experience checking out at this freaking Target. It is so dark. As you can see, I put the tree in. I had to put the seats down and rearrange. My car is a mess. I think it's in here pretty good. Definitely decided to scratch the whole Home Depot idea and stick to something that I can't. Yes. I think the green aspect is exactly what I needed to liven up my space, and being that this is faux, it looks pretty realistic compared to a lot of the faux plants that I've seen, especially the base. This is what sold me, because a lot of the ones at Target carries no shade, but it's just like this looks real. I don't know what it is, but it's soft. It's not like that hard black plastic that looks pebbled, and this husk as well looks very realistic in my opinion. So I had to snatch it up. I just could not let it go, and I love the ceramic. It was a little beat up. I'm gonna see if I can get a magic eraser to clean up those areas, like this bit over here as well, so that it doesn't look too crazy and wild. But this is my new baby. I've wanted a big plant like this for a while, so I had to go ahead and get it. And again, it's from the Opal House collection, and it's the faux banana tree. If you guys are looking for it, I'll drop a link in the description box below. I'm gonna go back to the Jeep and get the poof so I could put that on the balcony, and I have yet to get confirmation from Target about my little table that I ordered. So hopefully I get that soon. It's supposed to be like within 4 hours. So I can drive and go get that as well and set up my apartment to be lit. It's about to be so lit. So lit? Yeah, he ready, bro. Okay, so I just got an update on my order, and it says that we're sorry, it looks like the selected store for your pickup ran out of the item. It's okay. It's okay because I got what I wanted, which was a huge tree. So saving coins. But I'm going to clean up my apartment, dust off the balcony. I brought the poof up, so I'm gonna rearrange some knickknacks that I have and figure out where I want it to go. So this is what we have going on. Like, my little table is not even outdoor table. So you good? This area gets the sun obviously, but I have all this space now that I get to work with. So I think the poof is gonna go in the corner somewhere, but I need to sweep it all off first and clean up my apartment, because I have been getting in the habit of not making up my bed, and I just don't know who I am anymore. Like, what? Me and Leroy were just running laps. I took him out, and then I got a package, and then I realized, girl, you left your apartment without your key. So I had to go to the front desk and handle that, and now I'm back with an Amazon order. And I'm excited about this because I bought a fragrance, one of my favorites. I bought my favorite fragrance. Oh, I got another package from Tom Ford off of Amazon. So I'm hoping it's legit. The reviews were kind of mixed, and I know this is discontinued, and I know a lot of people on the Sephora website when it was up didn't like the fragrance, but I loved it. It's definitely one that is acquired. It just worked so well with my body chemistry, and it's the Orchid Soleil in the rose gold packaging, and this just reminds me of summertime in Vegas because I brought this with me to the club in my little clutch, and they threw it away because I guess you can't have fragrances in the club. So they confiscated it, but the night ended up being so wild, and it was definitely worth it. So, oh my god, yes. Not gonna lie, the photos on the seller's site on Amazon looked a little sketch. It looked way too pink. It reminds me of Vegas. Yes. I don't know why they discontinued this scent. Oh my god, yes. Blessed. So if I can find the seller that I ordered this from, I'll link it down below, but I'm so happy to have this back in my life. It's the little things. I need to wait to go get a package because the Ups guy was downstairs still. He was so cute, by the way. And I think that's the same guy that popped up in my email, because we have these lockers, and so when you get a package, they're supposed to take a picture of your box so you know like who it's from and whatever. And instead of taking a picture of my package, he took a picture of himself doing a thumbs up like this. He's a young dude too. So I thought that was really funny. I think that's the same guy. So my Postmates just arrived. And I got tacos. I live for tacos. So if you guys want to use my Postmates code to get free money off / free food, definitely do that. I just did not feel like cooking today since I have a lot of editing to do. But I got 5 chicken Baja tacos with cabbage, and I'm gonna put some of this lime, and there's like a spicy salsa to go with it in a corn tortilla. This is like healthy organic too, and there's like a vegan creme on top of it. So this is my little lunch for today. But my code is W7UG, and I believe it works for new customers only. So get your free food. I just love tacos. Okay, I don't know where I want to put this because I don't want to block that vent thing. So I might put this table here, this in the middle, and then rearrange this stuff. You know? Somehow, some way. We're gonna make it work.